Morning, Pawpaw here. Hey, we're gonna head downtown Biloxi and go get some jumbo shrimp. Hopefully they have some. Why don't you come on along for the ride? Check this out.
Okay, another 10 more pounds.
10 more pounds.
Nice.
We got some nice jumbos there. I've been waiting a long time for that. Hey, down here, Biloxi, Mississippi, you got all these shrimp boats right at the Hard Rock Casino Marina. Well, last few years we've been coming down. We haven't been able to get the jumbo shrimp. So we decided to wake up this morning early, come down to the docks and see what they had. And lo and behold, we got some jumbo shrimps. So now we got to go home. We're back to the camper, not home. We're going to go back to the camper, dehead these things and vacuum seal them. I can't wait to dig into these. So we ended up getting 20 pounds of jumbo shrimp. Now the work begins. Look at this, there's all kind of things out here. Charter boat comes in, they're filleting their fish, and all the pelicans are there for the scraps. But they say nothing goes to waste. Here's a tribute to all the local service people from the area that paid the ultimate price for our freedom. remember, price of freedom. Yours and mine. Oh, it got in the way. Getting away.
Still alive.
Getting away. Look at the size of that shrimp.
Looks like the one Brandon got the other day.
You just pop that head off, drop it in, trash.
Gotta change hands.
Oh, I just threw that on the ground.
Oh goodness.
Oh, that was too small. Right.
You didn't see Carol jumping for that shrimp, did you?
Yeah.
Now it's the cleaning process. You rinse them all off. The water gets really murky. We'll rinse them all off.
Yeah, I've rinsed them a couple times, so it's not that bad.
And then the next step is to put them in the freezer bags. Now set them out on a paper towel. Now I'm just going to kind of pat them dry a little bit before I put them in the bag. All right, it's time to put them in the bags. I had bought this specifically to put in the camper, and because I knew I was going to get shrimp down in Mississippi, and this is a portable vacuum sealer. Let's see how this thing works. All right, here it is out of the box. It comes with a little charger. I wish they would have had the charging dock with a plug-in wire, but the wire is attached to it, so you can't just leave it sit out and store it. But here it is. Here is a little handheld vacuum thing that's specifically made for, let's see, these containers that I can't find anywhere, and these Ziploc bags. And we're going to put them in the Ziploc bags now. So let's see how the bags work. See how many we can get in there. All right, we got the 1 quart Ziploc sealable bags. Let's see how many we can get in here. Carol likes to cut my head off, so I'm going to have to check this video. I'm pretty sure she's cutting my head off again. Did you cut my head off, Carol?
Right now, I just have your hands. So yeah, your head's not in there.
There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I got his head in there.
Well, we'll put a dozen of them in here. We'll seal it up. Zip. Okay. Lay it up on a flat surface. Try to flatten them out. Now this is the first time I used this, so let's see if it works. Set it over the hole. It's slow, but it's working. here it is. All nice and sealed up. I have to hold this up here because Carol cut my head off. So, and there it is.
Now you gotta.
Now all you got to do is just open that up when you want it, and then you can reseal it again. Pretty cool. Let's get busy.
That one went a little faster.
All right. Hey, you don't know until you know. We learn something new every time we do something. We put the shrimp in the bag, and I went to put it away. And as you can see, this one's got air in it now. It's not like this one, where it's still sealed. The tail's poked a hole in it. So, let me show you over here what we got to do. And you take a pair of scissors. Here's the point that I'm talking about. Okay, see that point right there? That thing, be careful, that's pointy. That poked a hole right through the bag. So now what we're doing is we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're just going to clip that. Okay, we'll do it again. Okay, we're just going to take them pair of scissors and we're going to clip that off of there like that. Okay, and now they won't poke through the bag and let air in. And if you want, you can put more. It seems like that you can put more shrimp in the bag now without the tails on it. And then this way, when the bag sucks up, sucks all the air out, and it goes. That little prong right there won't get sucked in and poke a hole. All right, you don't know until you know. Well, that's all done. Hey, check this out. Huh? Look at that. Not all done. I still have more packages to do. We ran out of bags, so we got to go run and go get some more bags. We'll finish that up, get them things frozen. 20 dozen so far of jumbo shrimp. Right off, fresh off the boat. Take advantage of it. When you're in an area, get their local cuisine. Save money. Little work, but you save some money. Remember, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe. We got a lot more coming your way. All right, well, that's a wrap for today. Once again, thanks for watching Adventures with Paw Paw.